Okay, so we're just gonna do this. Alright, pretend like you're talking to people. So. Yes, recording.
Oh!
Yeah, it's recording. Alright. What's up, guys? This is Hue Yang right here. This is, introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Michelle.
This is Michelle.
I'm Luna. Losers. Okay.
This is, she's Hmong Ba and Hmong Her. She's taken and she's single.
Forever alone.
I'm Hong Ta and I'm
Forever alone too.
Yeah, I'm single.
Friends
But anyways,
with benefits.
wait, who? Alright, but anyways, alright, so we're gonna begin this video for Sacramento Hmong New Year. As you guys know, we're gonna be there. Michelle and Luna, they're gonna be over there doing competing for the Hmong Idol, and so this video is kind of to just let you guys know, kind of see their faces and see how they look, and so go and support them.
I'm sorry, I look ugly. I have no makeup on, so like if you see me in New York, like hashtag knee surgery.
But like yeah, I'm gonna put your never mind that okay, is there anything you guys want to say?
Not really. Well, the person who's gonna open up the competition will be Michelle.
Oh yeah, she's opening up the competition.
Yeah.
First contestant.
I'm scared.
And
like I'm 12 people away from her, so I'm the 13th one. You know how far that is?
Yeah.
We don't know how many people are competing.
There's like, I think like 20.
20?
Yeah, like, I think there's like
What
almost
the?
20.
I
It was like after
18.
you? Yeah, almost 20. Yeah, it should be like, yeah.
Dang.
It's a lot. Last year was like less than 15.
Well,
I mean,
scared.
like 2 years ago. Yeah.
I'm scared. It's gonna be hard, like deciding. There's hella people. Like, damn.
alright, so do you want to put your cover after this video, or do you want to do it separately?
We can put it together.
Okay, we're gonna put this together. We're gonna after this video, we're gonna show you guys Michelle's cover that she just now made not too long ago, like 3 minutes ago. But anyways,
3 minutes ago.
Yeah, 3 minutes ago. But like, anyways, like before we close this video, I just want to kind of get my announcement also. I'm working on a song right now, and it's, I don't know what's it called.
Featuring
it's untitled.
Me. Just kidding.
Anyways, I know I haven't been putting any music out because I said I quit, but I'm thinking about doing some more music. So yeah, I'm probably gonna release it in January, or not January, but in 2014, somewhere in there. So yeah, stay tuned for it, guys. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Tiếc còn không có hay tiếc còn vui nu tao nhớ kê ôi ga nhớ yêu chê có buồn chạy tê có hai tia Hue Yang Hue Yang